Nilai Pikalan
Kanda pitharai kan ni kapisa Kali jauh na kan ni Ba ka hospital te kala jingai nang ni
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu
Sister, hapsiu kat noma?
Kasurkar kalau siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man kaway pa kaway kaminsim kalong ka koridor.
It's a happy moment for us. Kadika singi ban sakan mau. Namar ba, we have been dealing with several types of department, but the only department kabaya state hagaban trekam kadika department joma snyabha kadika transport department. Kumbing la ini kipor he is there for us. And yaka ban kerma IP 2 months back, or ban February la one ban kerpa di ini hagaban taga concession, ban wave yaki tax yaki kot kali balayap. Daga kamar ku samar kia menta kasi daga jingkmen daga jing so hun kemensiam by minister badong rom jungi ila ong but soon you'll be getting a good news within 10-15 days ila persang but in sale yong ru ba with the help of this present NDA government he will be waiving a tax to the max ya kaba ila kabade kapat jong state ya ka central kumgi revenue kabade banyo ya ka state he will try to waive it off to the maximum point and to the maximum lowest price. Kadang kubor kapal bahaya, nama tajungi kibu kali bro, nama berana kipor si kipor, don't give a feel ke kisti, don't give a feel ke ni hapsi double, ya kibai luksan, nama benta, lembah kani ke cingirap ke scheme ke one time settlement by minister badam brom jungi, pat kani ke sarkar bementa, kani rap jungi, sab ba kham tam bangin la ban petelun ni kam ki jam jungi, dah kala im yang ikut kali jungi. So we are expecting a very good news soon within 10-15 days. Kakum kujing kular jungi, minister badam rom jungi. Ani ida sungu hadu kata ya minister jungi. Bila sim kia kan kam tang hapo arbnai quick action rapid force kemo om sumo hakapor kaba khandia de ila pantrai ila phap budin barkala long haka step kabangin so ngin thek yo so jungi jingjok within short span of time. Close at the moment. Namar minister jungi la kular ba ila ong ngade ukpa nganam suthu ila gikhon and he will try to waive it off to the maximum percentage we cannot communicate but soon hope so I'll meet you people we'll meet again begin see thu ipi ka percentage hadu kano and we are expecting komo I ong hi dalade ba dal astam gikhon de mangi ukpa ban pe to mono hu ukpa ban aila gikhon man stom so ukpa hi un sepe masnya hu badon rom jingi bonde klawai mono sunong bode upa tap chandrang mo ktin panarmo Bami Banesai Namutajungi. So we have entitled full trust on him and we are expecting that in Kumashay long in me the result of Bahaga Baso Hundibania Tapti in the appointment pass like a cabinet juki. A very simple methodology. Suppose now that don't get totally bum seal to get Sanch Posnim, Castate Kaladu Nonglupa totally. But if they give some concession, it will be the income for the state, it will never be a loss. Namar Mata supposed to be total loss to the government. But if they give us some settlement, we are ready to pay and they are getting the income and we are happy, they are happy. And plus it will be a big contribution for us. Namar ba pila kan mau hitrai people muswa por covid hikali kila shuyeng ikram la man siyo ke baro that through his ideas, through his thoughts, through his way of walking Minister badam rojungi usapek yang berankam and we are expecting very soon that the news mangin yaj ban ong suong ba the government, what is the government? This is in a simple term, it is by the people, for the people, of the people. So by the people, mangi ibasna government. So the government ka hapsna biyangi of the people, nagabanta jungi higin tre. So we expect, but ndala poi kanika scheme, the one-time settlement, ngim de ban pe kata ka jing do nong ka jing do nong jong ka state and jong urius me jungi we are expecting that a good collaboration and a good working principle with a smooth way of working happening jungi ba sarkar kin rai nagabanta ka jing ha jong pa wal ubabon ba yai yo ada spokesperson juga East Janta Owner Transport Association but at the moment I am the GAC spokesperson jong board artillery sendiri